Aloha there. It's Darcy coming to you on your day 21. Oh my gosh, you're doing so great. It's the end of the week, and I am so proud of you. This week, you did so many good things for yourself. You did 3 coffee enemas, which upregulated your glutathione production by 4 to 500% each time. You did 2 days of intermittent fasting. You started your heavy metals and chemical cleanse, and you're on your second round of the Serious Cleanse protocol. Wow, how are you feeling? Now, today we take a deeper look at how things we put on our body, on our skin, affect us with a lesson called Are Your Body Products Causing More Damage Than Good? You'll learn all about the thing that everyone uses that actually kills healthy bacteria on the skin and causes antibiotic resistance and more. So, you've been doing the heavy metals and chemical cleanse now since Tuesday, and I want to have a little check in about that. Now, it's sometimes hard to know in the beginning how these subtle supplements are affecting us, but do you notice a difference so far? You have the BioSil or activated silica drops, which help to mobilize the heavy metals and the chemicals. And you have the Pectisol or the modified citrus pectin, and that's your binder. Remember, it goes in and grabs those toxins and helps everything to get drawn to the center so that toxins can be comfortably and safely eliminated from your body. Now remember, I've provided that schedule for you to use so you can be consistent with these and your minerals and the prebiotic fiber. Now, remember, you can always use that supplement schedule. It'll really help to keep you on track with the supplements that you can take so you can really keep your detoxification pathways clean. Now, it's the last day of your third week. Keep going strong. And remember to do your end of the week check in today. Go ahead and regroup with your meals. Go shopping if you need to and pick some winning recipes for the week. And it's your Serious Cleanse Protocol Day 3. So I hope you're really diving in with that and really enjoying the benefits. So my question for you today is, what do you notice after taking your heavy metal and chemical cleanse all week? Do you notice a difference yet? Well, I hope you enjoy your learning and your cleansing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Aloha.